snow comes towards you, you feel like you're in the Millennium Falcon.
Yeah, didn't expect this today, to be fair.
Punch it, Chewy.
Starting to settle on the road there.
Indeedy. Picking you up could be quite interesting.
Blimey.
You might have to stay there.
No! You can drive a snowplow. So this is the A66 heading to Keswick. And didn't expect it to be snowing this much.
No. It's going to be raining in this valley on the A66 heading west. But yeah, given the fact that it's now 0 degrees, it's snow.
Oh, blimey.
And as much as snow is pretty, it's a pain.
Especially when you've got life to be getting on with.
Indeedy.
Just thought we'd drop in and show you the weather, in case you haven't got windows.
The trials and tribulations of living in the Lake District. But we love it.
Well, if only I could focus this phone.
When you're deliberately trying to avoid potholes and puddles, it tries to throw you back into them. Miller.